Hi guys, back here another video. I'm really sorry that I have not been making videos that much, but today I'm just going to do something I really usually don't do. And before we get started, I just want to give a shout out for Todd Christopher. Y'all might not know him, but he uses lawnmowers and fixes them up, takes the decks off and uses them for mudding. Goes lawnmower mudding, or sometimes drives out in the snow. And today we're going to look at what I got here. Got a John Deere lawnmower. Just going to walk around it. 42-inch cut, 5-speed. You can adjust the blade, how it goes. This here turns the blade on. This here's the throttle. Here's the hood. Under the hood, here's the motor. This is a 19.5 horsepower. It's a pretty big motor. They make bigger ones, and you can adjust the seat right here. You pull this up and you can scoot your seat back. Got 2 blades on it. You can also hook any trailer back here if you ever do any yard work. And I'm going to show you how to start it when we take it for a ride. Okay, you pull this, push this pedal down all the way until you start it, and give it a little bit of gas if it's cold, but sometimes choke it. But I've just drove it down here so I don't have to. I'm just going to put it middle ways. Videos about my pond sometime in the future, but I can't promise you all that, but I'm going to try to. Maybe I'm probably going to do some more videos. Here's the old trailer we fixed up. I pulled behind the four-wheeler pond. Y'all might remember that from other videos. Here's the pond. Lots of bass. Christopher, if you're watching, I just want to tell you, you're an awesome dude. I love your Sears the best. If you ever want to put it in park and let it sit still, push this pedal all the way down and lift this up. If you want to take it out of park, push it all the way down. Well, that's about what I got for today. So stay tuned.